Hello readers, it's Mrs. K. Hall here. I just wanted to come and tell you about this awesome new unit that we are going to be starting called Realistic Fiction. Now, realistic fiction is fiction, although it seems like it could be real. So it's people who seem like they could be real in real places with real problems and real solutions. So we're going to get started here. What I want you to do is I want you to make some binoculars, okay? Put them over your eyes and let's get started. Who would want to go on an adventure today? Who would want to visit the library? Who would want to visit the park? Anyone up for a visit to the aquarium? Today, it looks like everyone is ready for an adventure. Well, lucky you. Today we're starting a brand new unit that will take you on lots of adventures every single time you read a book. Now, every time you open a storybook, you'll meet a character who is going places and doing things, and you'll get to go too. You're going on an adventure, so you will need to pack a suitcase. Fill it with all of the strategies that you know. Be sure to leave some room for those new strategies that you will learn along the way. Today, I want to teach you that it is so important to get ready for your reading adventures. Readers take a sneak peek to find out where they will go and what they will do. So we are going to be reading a book called Iris and Walter and the Field Trip. And here is a picture of our book, Iris and Walter and the Field Trip. Now, even though I can't see you, I want you to give a thumbs up if you are ready to go on an adventure. And if you have an idea where Iris and Walter are going to go on their field trip. Where do you think it will take place? Thumbs up if you think you know where they will go. I have my thumbs up right now because I have an idea of where I think they will go. Now, the title of this book is Iris and Walter and the Field Trip. So this right here must be Iris. This right here must be Iris. And I think that this one is Walter. Remember, we can also check the back of the book. Maybe there will be more information there. Maybe there'll be more clues. Wow, here's the back of our book. Ooh, look at this illustration, this picture right here. They're acting like penguins. You know what? Maybe they're going to a zoo. Or maybe they're going to, I'm not sure. Oh, let's read this right here. Let's read the summary. Iris and Walter are so excited for their class trip to the aquarium. Oh, they're going to the aquarium. They get to see sharks, penguins, and even an octopus. They are having a wonderful time until someone gets lost. It's a good thing Iris is around to help. Wow. So I think I know what's going on. And I think I know what they're doing. But it seems like something might happen on this field trip. Someone gets lost. I wonder who will get lost. Right now would be a great time to pause the video and predict who you think is going to get lost. Now, I think we need to look at the table of contents. Okay? So I think we need to check there to see if there's any more information. All right, take a look here. I'm going to read this table of contents, and then what I want you to do is I want you to talk with a parent or a sibling, or you can even talk to a stuffed animal. Have you learned anything more? So keep that in mind while I'm reading this. Contents. The aquarium, page 7. The bus ride, page 15. Where's Walter, page 21. And the rescue, page 35. Ooh, have you learned anything new? Right now would be a good time to pause the video and talk to that someone about what you are thinking. Now, right now what I want you to do is I want you to take out a book that you have at home. A newer book, a book that you think has someone who's like real characters who look kind of real, like Iris and Walter here. They look like real characters. They're not like unicorns that talk or aliens that talk or dogs that talk, because we know that those can't talk. They have to be people. Now what I want you to do is I want you to take a sneak peek into that book. And I want you to choose from your book bin and get ready for a reading adventure. Maybe you created a book bin at home. If not, pick a book. You could even pick a book on Epic and get ready for a reading adventure. Okay, so you are going to take turns with a partner today, sharing what you have learned so far about your book. Where do you think you will go in your story? What do you think might happen? Okay, so I think you guys are ready to get going. I want you to give yourself a thumbs up if you are ready to jump into the world of your book and visit new places, meet new people, and do new things. Remember to check the front and the back of your book. I bet your suitcase is filled with many strategies. We can use them each time to go on an adventure to help us read and understand our books. Now off we go on our reading adventure. Off we go. Readers go on adventures. Get ready. Take a sneak peek. Remember to think, what is happening and where it's happening. Really make sure we're thinking about that when we are reading in our books today. Now, what I want you to really focus on today is taking that sneak peek of your book. I know you all are ready, and I know you all can do this. I know this is a little different teaching from home, but guess what? You all are rock stars, and you are reading rock stars. So let's get started, and let's go on our adventure. Bye, guys.